How is the Irish language written? Have you ever wondered how the beautiful Irish language known as Gaeilge is actually written? It has a fascinating system that reflects its rich culture and traditions. The Irish language uses a version of the Latin alphabet, but it only consists of 18 letters. These letters are a B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, and U. That is fewer than the 26 letters in the English alphabet. This difference highlights the unique sounds and structure of Irish. The writing system has evolved over time. It traces back to ancient scripts like Ogham, which was used for early inscriptions carved on stone around the 4th century after Christ. Today, the Latin-based alphabet is widely used, making it easier for people to learn and understand. In Irish writing, both short and long vowels are important. Long vowels are marked with an acute accent called the Fada. This accent changes the sound of the vowel and can even alter the meaning of words. For instance, the letter A with a Fada, which is written as A acute, is pronounced differently from a plain A. This accent is a key feature of how Irish is written. There are also specific rules for spelling and pronunciation in Irish. Two important concepts are lenition and eclipsis. Lenition softens consonants and is shown in writing by adding an H after the consonant. For example, B becomes BH. Eclipsis changes the sound of a consonant by prefixing it with another consonant. These rules reflected grammatical and phonetic changes in the language. Consonants in Irish are classified as broad or slender, depending on the vowels surrounding them. This classification affects how they are pronounced, making it essential for correct spelling and speaking. Historically, Irish was written in a unique Gaelic script, which has a distinctive style. However, nowadays, it is mostly written in a standard Roman typeface. This change has made it more accessible for learners and travelers alike. If you are traveling in Ireland, understanding how the Irish language is written can greatly enhance your experience. You will encounter Irish place names, signs, and cultural materials that are rich in history. Recognizing the Fada and the way consonants change can help with pronunciation and appreciation of the language's heritage. Many road signs and official documents in Ireland are bilingual, featuring both English and Irish. Knowing how Irish is written gives you a glimpse into the country's social customs and cultural identity. To sum it up, the Irish language is written using an 18-letter Latin alphabet, employs the Fada accent for long vowels, and uses consonant mutations like lenition and eclipsis. This writing system connects you to the language and Ireland's vibrant cultural traditions.